Today, we'll make this amazing juicy and crispy chicken, wrapped in Jamón Serrano, glazed in balsamic vinegar, and topped with fresh cherry tomatoes and mozzarella. Perfect for date night or a hot summer day with a glass of cold white wine. So let's just jump into it. We'll start with seasoning the chicken all over with salt and pepper. Next up, we can lay out 2 pieces of Jamón Serrano, slightly overlapping each other. If you like, prosciutto could also work. Now get the chicken on top and gently wrap the serrano around the chicken and make sure it's kind of glued to it. Pour some flour on a plate and drench the chicken. Shake off any excess. We will heat up a pan and add the olive oil. In goes the chicken. We'll cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until the serrano is crispy and golden. Absolutely beautiful. Meanwhile, we can grab some fresh basil and quarter or half the cherry tomatoes. You got this. So remove the chicken, add the balsamic vinegar and glaze the pan. We want all the brown bits as well. Now we can add the chicken stock and let it reduce by around a half before we'll add the chicken back in. Turn it a couple of times to coat the chicken in the sauce. You'll see the sauce is thickening as well. All good. That's what we want. So almost done. Let's plate it up. So get the juicy and crispy chicken on the plate. Now scatter the sweet sun-dried cherry tomatoes on top and follow up with mozzarella cheese and the basil. Finally, we can drizzle the remaining sauce over and done. If you want to see more juicy and crispy cooking, you can hit that subscribe button and we'll see each other next time. So please enjoy and thank you for watching.